In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in FreshBooks for 2025 step by step. If you run a small business, you know how vital staying on top of your financial records is. FreshBooks is a fantastic tool to help you manage your invoicing and accounting seamlessly. So let's dive into how you can create a receipt using this software. First off, a crucial thing to understand is that in FreshBooks, a receipt is automatically generated once you've marked an invoice as paid. This means that your journey to creating a receipt begins with creating an invoice itself. Head over to the FreshBooks dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your accounting needs. On the dashboard, you'll see an option, Create New. Clicking on this will reveal several options. Select Invoice. This is where the process begins. Start by entering your client's details. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any future issues. After this, add line items. These could be the specific products or services you've provided, along with the cost associated with each. Don't forget to include any applicable taxes. Taxes can often be overlooked, so double check this part to ensure compliance and accuracy. Next, you can enter any personalized notes or messages that are relevant to the transaction. This is a nice touch as it provides clarity and a personal connection with your client. You'll also need to set the payment terms. Specify when you expect the payment to be made to ensure both parties are on the same page. Once you've finalized all the details on this invoice, go ahead and click Send. The invoice will now be on its way to your client, ready for them to act upon. Now the ball is in your client's court. As soon as the payment is received, you'll move to the next stage, recording this payment in FreshBooks. Return to the dashboard and locate the invoice that corresponds to the transaction in question. When you've confirmed that the payment has been received, mark the invoice as paid. This is a critical step as it triggers FreshBooks to automatically generate a receipt. For FreshBooks now takes over and generates a receipt, which serves as formal proof of payment for both you and your client. This receipt is integral, especially if there are any future queries about the transaction. It's easily accessible for your records and can be shared with your client for their documentation, maintaining transparency and professionalism. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient process to create a receipt in FreshBooks. These steps not only assist you in keeping detailed and organized records, but also elevate your business's client service. Always remember, accuracy and attention to detail are your best allies in managing business finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.